Hey there, my name's Drew Brashler, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the gate to get more attack out of your floor tom and toms on your drum set. If you ran into my channel, I'm all about helping you feel more confident in your production gear no matter where you're starting from. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, built into the Behringer Wing on every channel except the aux channels is a gate, and it's on every single channel. Now, what's really neat about the gate here is that we have this thing called accent. And with the accent of the gate, I can actually create more of an attack happening with a floor tom or a tom when that stick hits the tom itself. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn off these gates and show you how much stage bleed there is of the cymbals going into these tom mics. And then what I will do is we'll go ahead and turn the gates back on. Now, I'm setting this pretty aggressively on the gate settings just to emphasize what it sounds like on stream. I probably wouldn't be going as aggressive with these gates if I was actually mixing this live. So let's go ahead and listen to this. So I will go ahead and turn off the tom gates. And here's what the tom mics sound like. There's a lot of cymbal bleed happening. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn these back on. Now, I could dial in the gates a little bit more, but that's not what this video is about. So what we're going to do is I'm going to unmute these rest of the channels. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the accent. Now, I'm going to overemphasize this accent for you to hear it. So one more time, I'm going to play it without the accent, and then I'm going to add in 70% of this accent on the 3 tom channels. So tom 1, tom 2, and the floor tom. So here we go. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I'm going to remove it. And then I'll go ahead and add it back in. Listen to it again. And here it is without. And with it in again. So what I'm hearing is just when that stick hits that tom, is this accent allows that to be more emphasized in the mix. Now, I didn't change any volumes here. There was no volumes that changed. There was nothing like that. All I'm doing is adding the accent of this gate, and it's making it so that those toms kind of ring through a little bit more with that stick hitting the head, getting that attack kind of coming straight through the mix a little bit more. So if I wanted to, let's go ahead and unmute the band, and we can listen to this with it in at 100% here, just to overemphasize this, and then we'll do it without. have it. That brings me to the conclusion of this video. I hope this was helpful for you and just gives you another tool that you can put in your tool belt for really sculpting the mix that you want on your Behringer Wing. If you do happen to have any questions, make sure to post in the comments section down below. Also, if there's a video that you're hoping that I would make on the Behringer Wing or really any of the mixers that are out there, please put that in the comment section down below, as I'm always reading through those comments to find videos that are going to be helpful for you. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my website at drewbrashler.com. Otherwise, have a great day.